Hi, welcome to Segafredo. My name is Zanetti. Today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use Segafredo's MyEspresso capsule machine, which are available in either black or white. We also have 5 biodegradable eco-pure capsules to choose from, and we have 3 packages starting from $99. So let's make a coffee. Very simple. Lift the lever, put the eco-pure pod into the slot, close the lever, grab a cup, push the button, start brewing your Segafredo espresso. Here it is, magnificent espresso. Order yours online today.